Human life is amazing. At some point in time, it can seem like the whole world is at your feet, that you can literally make all the money in the world. But then time passes, your youth fades away, opportunities and chances disappear, and making millions or even billions remains just a dream. But you can avoid all of this, turn the personal game and improve your life, not only morally but also monetarily. And right now, you're going to learn how. This is the main channel on finance. Join the ranks of future rich people by clicking on the subscribe button. Many billionaires boast dizzying success stories, but the story of Dan Peña is widely regarded as the most dramatic. Peña is an American who went through Vietnam, though he didn't participate in combat. He started his business with $820 and managed to earn and accumulate $50 billion. Now, he is like a public speaker sharing his experience and financial knowledge with people. But not long ago, he revealed information that many people miss, realizing it only at a deep old age. That's why Peña compiled some money lessons that would be beneficial for you so that you don't end up poor when you're old. Money doesn't solve problems. If you don't manage your money properly, having more money won't solve your problems, Peña asserts. Many people think that if they had more money, their financial problems would disappear. But people who don't manage their money well will have financial problems no matter how much or little money they have. Concentrate on managing the money you have now, and when it grows, you will feel better. For example, start simply by writing down your income and expenses throughout the month. A simple notebook and pen can help you understand where your money goes. There are several advantages to this approach. You'll immediately start spending less, as you'll think of one more box on your shopping list. You will see where the money really goes. You can count your spending. Mind that with the smallest regular income, you can save money. Even if you save $100 this month, it's already valuable, because a year from now, it will be $1,200. You would agree that having even small savings is still better than nothing. Money shouldn't stay in the shadows. You can't get the most out of your money if you don't know where it's going, says Dan Peña. Keeping track of your expenses can be a revelation and an eye-opener for you. Most of us have certain habits or expenses that add up to some amount, but if you don't pay attention to them, you'll never know how much they're really costing you. Be sure to start managing your personal budget. Its main purpose is to control and optimize your finances, because you can't manage what you don't measure. Keeping track of your income and expenses increases your standard of living and ideally allows you to achieve financial freedom. Where exactly to keep a budget is not so important. It can be a simple notebook, an Excel spreadsheet, or a mobile app. Many people keep track of their money in bank apps. You can see when and what you have spent the money on, how much you have received, and from whom. Monetary priority. The value of net worth is more important than income, states Peña. Much of our society associates wealth with how much money you make in a year. In fact, how much money you make is not as important as how much money you have. Would you rather make $200,000 a year with zero capital or $40,000 a year with $1 million to spare? It's certainly worth considering from time to time whether your pay is decent, and maybe you already wish you were getting more. But it's just as important to remember how much you have in savings in your closet or in your bank account and increase it regularly. Everyone has their own way. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, says Peña. We're all different. Some of us like to use credit cards to get cash back and rewards. Others manage their money better when they only use cash. Some of us like getting rid of credit quickly with the snowball method. Others like the advantage of the avalanche method. Like most things in life, a lot depends on personal preferences, not whether it's right or wrong. The key is to figure out your strengths and weaknesses, and in the process of life, compensate for your weaknesses year after year by building up a strong advantage. The right attitude toward money. If you want to be rich, learn to enjoy your money first, Peña advises. You don't have to be frugal 24/7. You work hard to earn your money, and it's okay to enjoy spending reasonably. We all need balance. Don't feel guilty about spending money on things that are important to you when you can afford it. A healthy relationship with money is an important part of a happy life, and having a lot of money is not. Worries about finances often poison life, but more often than not, it is our attitude toward money rather than objective economic reality that is the cause. Every person has the right to choose their position with respect to money, to be wealthy or not. A person can often be trapped by stereotypes and beliefs created by themselves. They fulfill a limiting function and do not let a person believe in their possibilities, despite the fact that no one considers themselves stupid. The best way to save money. The best way to achieve savings is to automate the process, claims Peña. You can set up automatic transfers of money from your paycheck to your investment account, so you never spend that money. You can set up automatic transfers from current accounts to savings accounts. There is also an ever-growing number of mobile apps that allow you to automatically make savings. Treat your savings as required payments and you'll see them grow. Unexpected truth. Money is just money. They will come and go in your life. The amount of it will be up to you. Time is what's more important to keep in mind. Money is not the most important thing in life. We all have different priorities, but for many, family, health, friends, and faith come before money. When you spend countless hours making a living, it's easy to get distracted and lose sight of these priorities. Many people think about money almost constantly. It's not a bad idea to look back from time to time and reflect on what really matters in your life. My future millionaires, share in the comments, how long do you think it will take to make your first million? I'm eager to know the ambitions of my subscribers. It's never too late to embrace new knowledge, and even more so if it's financial skills. It does not matter how old you are, what your salary is, or where your life is headed. After all, tomorrow you will be able to change everything. Listen to today's advice and take the path of wealth. The main thing is to believe in your strength, and only then you will succeed. Share this video with your friends. Maybe today's information will help them achieve their wealth too. And also, do not forget that by clicking the subscribe button, you not only become part of our channel, but you take a place in the club of future millionaires. This is the main channel on finance. Subscribe and get rich.